Did you know that as an MAA member, you have exclusive access to our video library? In this really quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access it and how to see the latest videos that we've uploaded from our virtual programming series. So first thing we're going to do is go to maa.org and we're going to log into our member account. This big red login button on the homepage. My information automatically populates. If you have any issues, use the forgot password function first. If you're still unable to log in, please reach out to our service center. We'd be happy to help you. So I'm going to log in. It's going to take me to my member page. All of my member information is up here at the top. You will also see, our other member benefits there. And below this, we have our MAA video library. So I'm going to click here. Our featured video is actually from our AMC team right now. When we scroll down, there's a search function. If you have a particular topic or search term that you'd like to use, you can type it in there. We can also scroll down and see these videos here, which are most recently uploaded from our programs team. So we've got synopses and titles. Let's choose Enhance Your Differential Equations course with modeling. I'm going to click this and the video populates up at the top, and hit play and enjoy.